In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can archive games here on a Nintendo Switch 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you really just help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Archiving a game essentially just removes the software from your console to free up storage, but it's going to keep your save data so you're not going to lose your progress in the case that you reinstall it. From the home menu, go ahead and scroll all the way down to this little settings gear right here and open it up. And then on this section, you're going to want to scroll down until you see data management. Scroll over right to the right and you're going to see a bunch of different options. Go ahead and go to manage software and select it to open it up. From here, it's going to show you all of the games that you currently have installed on your console. Select whatever game you want to uninstall, like Hogwarts Legacy, which is taking up a ton of space, right? After you open that up, go to delete software, and you'll see a message confirming that your save data will not be deleted when you select this, and you can re-download the game anytime. After selecting delete, you can choose to either remove the game completely or archive it, which will free up storage, but keep the game icon on your home menu. If you keep the icon, you simply just got to tap on it later to re-download it. But that is it. That is how you can archive games here on a Nintendo Switch 2 to free up storage without losing progress. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.